Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G52, and today I'll show you how you can factory reset this device through recovery mode and also get rid of a screen lock if you have one that you don't know. As you can see, I do have a pattern set and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know it. So to get started, you'll want to hold your power key, select power off, and once the phone turns off, hold power key and volume down at the same time. Now this will boot us into, I believe, boot mode. So using volume keys to navigate, you want to select recovery mode, which will be visible right here. So you can navigate up or down, it doesn't really matter, it cycles through the options. As you can see, there it is, recovery mode. Confirm that with power key. Next thing you will see is this thing right here, Android with no command. So when you do, hold power key and press volume up. This will take us to the recovery mode. Now from here, again using volume keys to navigate through the options, you want to scroll down and select wipe data factory reset and confirm it again with the power key. Then choose factory data reset. It will give you at the bottom a message formatting data, and then the next thing you should see is data wipe complete. There we go. At which point reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power key once more and this will now reboot the phone and continue the factory reset of it in the background. Now it will take the device a little bit longer to boot back up, but don't worry, that is completely normal. Once the process is finished, we will be presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.